Let us continue another bacterial disease, that is whooping cough. This is also called as pertussis. So pertussis or whooping cough. The causative agent is Bordetella pertussis. So what is the causative agent? It is Bordetella pertussis. It is more, it causes more uncomfortness as compared to diphtheria that we discussed in the last class, last video. Although both are of, both are not very severe again, right? Of course, both are treatable. Again, the treatment is antibiotics and the vaccine is same. I had discussed in the last video that DPT is a triple antigen vaccine. So how it is spread basically? There's a one important thing about this disease, that is why first the symptom is different or basically the causative agent is different, although one of the symptoms is different. Okay, so what is epidemiology, how it spreads? So again, through droplet infection. So through droplet infection. So through droplet infection, right? Now, of course, it is airborne. Let us talk about what are the symptoms. What are the symptoms of this disease? So basically, mucus deposition takes place in the respiratory tract. So that is why the patient has little difficulty in breathing. So basically, mucus deposition. Again, it is more common in children's. Mucus deposition in respiratory tract. Now we need to understand one thing. I'm sure you may have experienced or you have heard about that, or you may have seen someone that usually when they cough, so there is a very irritating sound which is produced. So in Hindi we usually also call it as like kali khansi. So we also call it as kali khansi, right? In Hindi. So that irritating sound which is produced, that is actually called as whooping. So that is a whooping sound. So that is why whooping cough. So that is another symptom. Basically, a whooping sound is produced while coughing or breathing heavily. So a whooping sound is produced, and that is a very weird sound, while coughing. While coughing, or if breath a little heavily, or breath heavily, or if breath heavily. So this mucus basically produce a sound kind of thing. So that is basically what is the treatment. The treatment is anyways antibiotics. The treatment is antibiotics. Any vaccine, then definitely vaccination is there. That is DPT. We had discussed about DPT in the last class, that it is a triple antigen vaccine. It is a triple antigen vaccine and it protects the child from 3 diseases. One is diphtheria, that is we had discussed already in the last class. Pertusis and tetanus. These are the 3 bacterial diseases against which this vaccine work. So that is about pertussis. Let us now talk about another bacterial disease in the next video. Thank you.